What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We got the Maco flyer. 921 2 1013 number 20. Regions 1318. They differ from different regions. Keep that in mind. You know, your dealer may not have this same flyer if you're not in the same region. That's under the number 20 mark there. Anyways, we got tools for the cause. Breast cancer awareness is upon us. Save the tatas. Let's get into the video. Check it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have Support the Tools with the Cause, voted number 1 by Matco Tools Distributors. We have the new small portable and everyday carry folding clip lifter pink. New and exclusive to Matco for $37.95. Plus, we have the 4-piece indexing clip lifter set in pink for $141. You can get so many clip lifter tools. Now, I'll be honest with you. I have SK had this adjustable clip lifter set, clip lifter tool. I have one of these and had one of these, and that's my favorite thing to use. I haven't really felt the need to have 4 different ones, but, you know, your mileage may vary. But that was a lot. I don't know if SK still carries that in their lineup, but 141 is definitely very, very, it's not cheap in the tooth. Anyways, let's move on here. We got some HyperStep reduced shank drill bits, 29-piece set here, $379.99 for the high-speed steel. We have some rectangular magnetic trays, which are an essential mechanics tool, $24.99, and the long rectangle ones for $29.95. And then we got the good old dishes, the old dish, $14.95. All this comes from using your wife's Tupperware. Yes, that's right. Using your, you know, these were originally designed from people that used wife's Tupperware for putting bolts and nuts in. Then they slapped some magnets on it. Pretty funny. Moving right along, we got some Bodacious Bogos here, ADB sockets, half-inch drive, 14-piece, metric 6-point ADB socket set, $146.19, and you get the 13-piece 3H drive 6-point set, all for $146. Not too shabby. We got some Torx bits and inverted Torx bits. You spend $156.95 for the 9-piece set and 3H drive, and you get the 9-piece 3H drive inverted Torx set. You tell me if that's a good deal. You know, bloop it down there in the old comment box. Then we got the Matco, the flexible 10-piece metric flex ratcheting wrench net. Now, I have these from Cornwell. The difference is Matco carries these in a spline drive, where Cornwell has them in a 12-point. I personally still will tell you to this day, the spline, I don't like the spline in the 12-point variation. Seems like they stick a lot more. Matco carries the Pro Non-Slips in a 6-point spline. I tend to like that a little bit better. 72 gear teeth on these, and they're $327.95 for that. As you can see, the splines say they, you know, carry all the rounded and all that. But you let me know down in the comment box if you've had the experience between 12-point spline and 6-point spline. Let me know what you prefer better yourself, because I think it's kind of an interesting conversation. Spline is definitely one of those deals where either you hate it or you love it. I feel like that's the reviews I've always gotten from other people, and the feedback myself personally I've gotten. Half-inch drive fixed head torque wrench, 50 to 250 foot-pounds, $384.95. Then we got a Bogo half moon wrench set. Not a shabby deal here, $301.50 for the 5-piece 5-piece SAE half moons, and you get the metric 5-piece for free. You know, that's over a $500 value right there. So, hey, you know, is it a bad deal if it works? Not really. Then we got some Mayhew rebranded scrapers, 4-piece scrapers. Personally, the super scraper is the only one for me to have. These are nice to have for certain situations. But I found that I can get by with about one of these. Blue, green, purple, orange, your choice, $156.95. The USA made 3-piece 3H drive locking extensions. They don't have USA on them. I'm assuming there still are. Matco had some very nice. Their locking extensions were all everybody's were all made in the USA pretty much, from the same company. But maybe they changed. I don't know. 4-piece mini hook and pick sets, $64.95. blue, purple, red, green, orange. You know, you pick your choice. We've got the 3-piece 3H drive 12-point magnetic thin wall universal joint spark plug socket set. $100 sale that fast. You know, that's those are pretty much essential to have nowadays too for working on cars. You know, they say sometimes a tool. You know, you don't need to be you don't have to have an expensive tool to do a job, or you know, tools don't make you a better mechanic. Well, you know, try doing spark plugs that require these special spark plug sockets without them. There's really no way to do it without them. So, you know, essentially that tool does make you able to get the job done. 95 for the Nipex Cobra pliers. You know, here's another example of a tool that it came along that improved mechanics' abilities over using old pliers. You know, after you've used the Nipex Cobras, try to get rid of them and never use them again. You know, they say tools don't make a better mechanic. Well, you know, there's some caveats to that, I think. You know, it's always a delightful conversation with people that think that, or that have that mentality. So, you know, I'm sure this will make some good conversations in the comment box. Dual LED strip and headlamp with motion sensor, $26.50. I do have one of these, and that's not too bad of a price, honestly, for being on the Matco truck. That's about what they cost for about 2 of them. We got the 11-inch diagonal offset cutting pliers, $84.95. We have the Shock It punch kit for $169, and we have the 6-piece micro non-marring pick and pry set for $24.95. Always handy to have. Digital tire gauge with LED lights and magnets for $72.95. We got the old Matco toolboxes. This is the 2S here, I believe. Right? You know, and then we have the Warriors for Wear Pink toolbox. Pretty cool scheme on that one there. Always nice. USA made boxes. We got some more tools for the cause. We got the pink mini handheld rechargeable floodlight for $104, and the Force Flex glasses, safety glasses, $33. And of course, we have the pink ratchets in the dual 80, in the 88 design, USA built, 4 degree, 88 tooth, 228, 198, 245. Your choice of flex ones there with a pink handle. You know, support them tatas. You know, ladies and gentlemen. Then we got the women's Redback Matco Crew Socks, tools for the cause, pink, 6 pairs. We have the mini letterbox toolbox, $124.95. We have the tools for the cause tee, tools for the cause sweatshirt, tools for the cause neck guard, flex fit tools cause hat, and then the tools for cause pillowcase, $24.95. You know, all sorts of variations there, socks, whatever. 54-piece universal test kit. I've said this a million times. I will put a link for the AES Wave kit in the bottom of the box, which is non-affiliated because they only sell them through AESWave.com. Do not buy this electronic specialties test kit. It is junk. The wires are terrible. You will get bad connections eventually. They break. They're garbage. I don't like them. I have a small kit. Wished I would have never bought it. Spent money on it. I can't say that enough. I've never even heard anybody even to test that against me on that. But once you get the AES Wave kit, which costs around $200, you will understand why. We got the basic fuel pressure test kit, $256. In fact, I don't know why any tool truck hasn't figured out how to get the AES Wave kit on their tool truck, because it is pretty much the best stuff out there for doing electrical diagnostic testing, hands down. And it's really not that much, not that expensive. Master compression test set, $234.99. We have the Lang retractable leads with magnet for $47.99, and then the LED circuit tester, 6, 12, and 24 volt, $450 in the coil cord, which I prefer the straight cord myself personally. Moving right along, Power Probe temperature kit, $52.99. I'm not a big fan of that one after owning it. I still own it, and eats batteries like crazy, and seems like, I don't know. It's not my favorite tool when I bought a different one. I really thought that was awesome when I first got it. It's just been underperforming. You know, every time I go to use it, it seems like the batteries are dead or something. I don't know. Feels like that to me. Some people disagree with me on that, and I understand. Power Probe 3Z, carbon fiber, $198. We have the Maximus Android code reader for $369.95. Smoke detection from Redline Smoke. $11.49 for the diagnostic smoke, and then of course $16.99 for the big boy with internal air compressor, which is a nice unit there. It looks like they give you a free light with that too, maybe. Why is the light there? Includes complete accessory kit. Save. Huh, that's weird. Why has it got a flexible light there? I'm assuming that's a light. Full feature diagnostics. Interesting that they add that in the picture. Of course, you get your baby oil. That's all that smoke fluid is baby oil or mineral spirits. $30.95. Save yourself some money doing that. Listen to the old dog over there just giving her at it, chewing on some stuff. Milwaukee. We got the Milwaukee Tools here. You get free batteries, you know, get a free grinder, get a free impact with purchase of any of those, and then you get a free pack out or pack out deep organizer with the purchase of any of your lights. So spend $100, get a free pack out. Spend over $300, get a free impact. Spend over $300 to get a free grinder. Yes, pretty much you spend over $300 to get your choice of a grinder, impact, buying any one of those tools, different models. 460, 460. They're all the same tool. What the hell is going on? Why would you put that in there? Why wouldn't they just put one row and then show the battery, grinder, or the impact? What the hell is the difference there? And I'll tell you what, marketing is deceptive. M18 compact. What's that one say? M18 compact. Same numbers. Oh my God. Oh brother. I mean, okay, whatever. Anyhow, moving right along, we have the step. I used to have this step. I don't know whatever happened to it, but I love this step. Large tire step, 29.25 inch wide, $107 for it. It does work really well, especially on your big trucks, especially on new stuff these days. And then you have the tire step. What is going on here? We have the large step for the semis, and then you have your regular step for tires, 21.25 inch wide, so it wouldn't fit on 22s. Yeah, damn near got to have both of them. $86. That's not bad. My favorite, Triton, the all-in-one key machine. If you're doing any key programming, guys, I talk about this a little bit, but if you're doing any key programming and whatnot, and you want to if you want to really make some serious money, these things right here are absolute licenses to print money to getting into the business. Now you have to check. Depending on your state and how you got to have locksmith deals, I guess. It's not like that in Iowa because we don't have a bunch of thieves around here. But yeah, this is awesome because you can cut your own keys, especially when you're getting when you have to buy a new fob. With most key fobs that have keys with them and the chips and stuff like that, this machine is awesome. It is quite expensive. I think it's $4 or $5 grand, but definitely worth the money in the long run. We got some Costa. They're getting off some Oakley stuff. Costa sunglasses. Now they're selling energy drinks. Case of 12. First Form energy drinks. I mean, why not sell energy drinks on the tool truck now? They got toys and all other useless crap. Might as well add in some more garbage. Women's redback socks, $60. And then, yes, more redback socks, which are awesome. The old Matco Hex Dog Key Tab, $14. Whiskey cigar glass set. I have one of the whiskey cigar glasses that holds the cigar. Pretty not too shabby. We have some, and then last but not least, we have the new Max 5, which is an awesome scan tool. I do like their scan tool setup and the support they give with it. That is $6,570, which is not too shabby considering you get a lot of stuff with it. It is a little bit more money, but I think you get some really good support with it. Nonetheless, we have some heavy-duty software, $1,700, and some passenger car line update software for $1,400. Anyways, and I think that's about what it costs a year to update it. It's like $1,400. But anyways, guys, that's the Matco flyer video for you for the 9/21 through 10/13 event 2024, number 20. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell, remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.